In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create a Pinterest board and make it private. So we're going to go through two different scenarios, and the first one is we're going to create a new board, and we're just going to create it. Now let's say that we've realized that actually we want to make our board private, but currently it's public. All we need to do is click on the little edit icon, and then all we do is click on the secret toggle, and that basically means that only ourselves and people that we invite, so if we enter an email address in there and invite somebody, they would be able to see it, but otherwise it's just you as the creator of the board can see the contents of it, so it's private. So all we do is we click secret, then we click save, and now our board is private, and you can see in the corner there's a locked symbol. So that's how you create a private Pinterest board.